Hey guys, what's up? I am now making a video. This is what's it called? I forgot what it's called already.
Escapist?
Yeah. Once again I'll be joined by
Potato Gaming 446.
Ooh, copyright.
Yeah, it has to.
What else is there? Chrome blade, magazine. Now I need a roll of duct tape. Wolf's desk. Let's write it. Oh yes. 9. Thinking of trowel.
Yes, but I can't download it. I'm not allowed to download anything that you have to buy.
I don't get why they have meals in this game. Go on ahead and
Because it's trying to represent it. It's trying to represent life of being in a president. You could serve your sentence well, easiest way to escape, you just serve your sentence.
Actually, no.
So I have trouble pronouncing things. You actually noticed it.
Actually, no. I've noticed it a lot.
Yeah.
Actually,
And you should yell at the people who don't even know how to spell potato. It's an O, not an E at the end.
It's easy. Escape. Escape.
Escape.
There you go. Escape.
It sounds really, really wrong if you add an X onto the S.